Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason why we like promoting the $25 business is because it's affiliate system. Alright, that's the main reason. It's 80% recurring income, and every product in the system you get 80% of the income when you get a sale on it, which is absolutely insanity and fantastic. So if you guys interested in following along, make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to hit that notification bell, and we'll get started. All right, so first and foremost, let's see if we got a sale here. And it looks like we did get a sale yesterday. See that? That's the sale. All right, so we're gonna refresh the page here to make sure these are real results. And I know they're real results personally, but I want to show you guys the real results by refreshing the page in real time. You know what I mean? I don't got time changing that thing. Okay, as you can see, these are real results, and I did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Which is fantastic. We're starting to rail back up. As you can see, we're starting to get back into it, get back into making money with doing this. And yeah, it's starting to pick back up. We're gonna get back to where we were. I'm sorry that I stopped for a while. I just was so. I'm sorry for always talking about it. You gotta keep going, guys. See, this could have been about 4,000-5,000 now if I kept going. I just stopped for a while because I got so busy in real life. Got sick, and there's no real excuse for it. I just got too busy. But anyway, guys, this is what we're gonna do. All right. So first and foremost, we need to get your link. This is the link that I use here, the all-in-one business sales letter. This is the link I use. This is my affiliate link. We're gonna get your link. Now go down into my description there. You're gonna see a link that's incomespeaks.com. You click on that, or you can type it in, whichever one you want to do, and it's gonna take you to this page here. It's gonna take you to this page here, which is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. And essentially, if you guys are interested, what it is, it's a funnel builder. It's actually a really good one for $25 a month. It's a funnel builder to build a funnel. All right, which is actually a really good deal. Anybody that know, and yeah, and every time you get a sale, you get $20 of that, and it's monthly payment. So if they stay in the system, they get paid. You get paid. You paid over and over and over and over again like that. Really cool. All right, so they also give to charity with, you know, what they make. They don't send all of it over there, but they send, you know, they gotta live and stuff, but they send to charity whenever they can. And so if you're interested in using their systems to help, you know, you interested in charity, any kind of charity, it's a really good system to use as well. So anyway, it just talk about what you can make, $20 to $100 monthly commissions on every customer, blah blah blah. You interested, right? You just click on one of these green buttons. It's gonna take you straight to the page here. Hit in all your information. Right? You come down here and you complete order, get instant access. Now one more thing real quick. You use my link. When you use my link, you get a chance to use HBA Premium, another product, for free for 2 weeks. Now what this essentially does is training on how to promote using ads. It's constantly updated over time when things change, because traffic with ads change all the time. Like they come up with, like Facebook or something come up with new rules, and it might affect how you promote your ads and stuff like that. And when new stuff come out, like for example TikTok or whatever, when it first come out, they add information on how to set up an ad using it, or does it work or whatever, right? Also, you have an AI content creation machine. You can use the AI to set up, you know, create ads or whatever it may be, or make emails for you, make articles for you, whatever it may be. Use it. All right, guys. And you get this for free for 2 weeks. And the coolest thing about this is that if you get a sale with HBA Premium, you are able to keep that $100 even though you technically haven't paid for that product. which is fantastic. So you can make $100 for free. Might be able to make $100 for free 2 weeks. There's literally no reason not to get this, guys. So yeah, try that out. So anyway, you complete the order, go through the thing, sign up, make your account, get to your links, right? Basic stuff. You know it. Follow. They got videos and everything explaining everything. And even if they didn't, you've made an account before, on the internet, so you'll figure it out. But now that we got our link, right, now we need to have traffic. We need traffic, and this is the absolute easiest way to make traffic I ever found, period. All right, so we're going to my lead gen secrets here. We're gonna log in. Sometimes log in twice. And we're gonna log in. You're gonna click on the second link in my description, right? It'll take you to this page here. You can log in like that, what I just showed you. Very simple. And once you get into the system, you're gonna go to the mailing system here. You're gonna click on select all leads. You're only gonna have 100 leads, but trust me, you can get sales with just 100 leads. I've done it before. I got multiple accounts. I only use this account to promote this product though. So anyway, we're gonna go with that. And see, we changed it slightly last time the AI came up with, and we made the number a little bigger. But that's what it looks realistic though. $2,000 in 28 days sounds pretty realistic. It don't sound like it'll change your. It will change your life, but it is very helpful amount of money in 28 days. So it sounds a little bit more realistic, which is very, very good, because when the numbers sound more realistic, they're more likely to be interested because it sounds like it's real, So anyway, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use ChatGPT to make us another email, and we're just gonna copy paste, guys. So we go to ChatGPT, click on let me find the one. Okay, here we go. And we just gonna tell it to create another email similar to the last one. Right. Gonna tell it to do the same thing. I'm saying 135, 130, 50. We just gonna change the number, but we're gonna keep the whole email for the most part. All right, so that's the email. Got it. All right, so we come here. The numbers are really low. One something for 35 days is not a lot of money. So we're gonna scale it up a bit. We're gonna say about 8. Scale it up a bit. And so what we're gonna do here, just gonna completely just scale that. Oh, what they? They son to the people. That's the only real difference. So we're gonna go back here, body. We're gonna get the rest of the body here, from right here, all the way up to. Copy that. I'm gonna post it in right here, and I'm gonna get rid of this. Slides on the line. Delete all of these. Delete all of these because it doesn't work in the system here. Oh, that. Oh, that. Oh. Place alive here. I think that's it. That's what we're gonna do. Now, one more thing I want to do is make sure it's popped in the right space bars are popped in the right place. Spacing. It's gonna do something like this. They'll pop in the right place. Look, it doesn't look different, but it's not in the right place for the system. The system has certain spots that it has to be. So, and even though it looks like it's in the right place, it's not quite. That's what we do. Popping back in the right place. But you get an error. Get an error for this. I don't know if I will, but I just do this just in case. Like that. That. Sometimes, most of the time you don't have to do this, but I just do it just in case, guys. So anyway, you want to hit perfect timing, and you want to preview the link and make sure it works. Link does work. Okay, that's all there is to it. And we just send the email. We're done, guys. Oh, we're done, guys. That's pretty much done, guys. I'll go and resend it real quick. But yeah, we pretty much done with this. And I'm sorry that I didn't show us sending the email, but I'll send it in a minute. But I know what's wrong. I'll fix it and send it. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification as well. And I'll see you guys next time, all right? All right, peace.